Now that we have wrapped up all of the cabinet building for the tool trailer, we need to get a few storage items, convenient stuff, put into the trailer. We have a few items that I removed originally. Got a few new items. We're gonna get all this mounted up, make it a lot more user-friendly in the trailer. So let's go ahead and get started on that. Well, we got a little bit of a tricky glue up here, but we're going to get started on it. got the DeWalt storage cases that I built this cabinet over here to my left to fit. I'm not going to put stuff in these right now. Once we start loading the trailer, I'm sure there'll be some items that specifically will end up in this hardware, specifically screws, nuts, bolts, things like that. But we can throw them in the cabinet and then move on to the last miscellaneous item I need to get on, which are the tie down points for the various locations. These are the original tie-down points that I had in the trailer. We took them all off in order to get all the cabinets in. I went ahead and cleaned them up and repainted them. And now we're going to get them installed in areas like this, so that when I have things strapped or things hanging on this wall, I can run a bungee cord around them just to kind of lock them in place if I need to. Well, this is going to wrap this one up. We got all the miscellaneous storage items installed. We got the pop-up canopy clip put on the wall. We got more clips put on the wall for my DeWalt rolling tool stock. We got the spray can storage put on the wall. We built the dividers for one of the drawers. The rest of the dividers will get built as I start using the trailer. I didn't want to limit myself on how I would use that. Got a heavy-duty magnet installed. I'll probably end up with, Phillips and a standard screwdriver and a pair of pliers just always hanging here just in case we need them. Got the Zilla Reel 50-foot multi-prong retractable extension cord installed in here. So this can reach anything in the trailer, which is nice. And it also goes 50 feet out the drop-down door, which gives me the ability to go out into the work site, have power wherever I need it. Overall, this was a fun part of the build. I really like getting to this point because it kind of shows you the light at the end of the tunnel, and I'm getting close. The rest of the miscellaneous storage solutions are going to be follow-on in that I want to put the tools in here and start using the trailer before I really start doing a lot more tweaking on the final layout of all the storage items. These are some really common and good ideas that I was able to find online, and I think they really work well for me. Overall, it was fun. I'm glad I got it taken care of. So until next time, thanks for watching.